that's the background. Yeah, I try to change because I want to change things, you see.
So what's your name then?
Pfungwa Dziiki.
Pfungwa Dziiki. And Pfungwa, where were you born?
Mutare.
In Mutare.
Yeah.
And your family are from? Your mother, your father?
My father was dead, I think in 7.
But he's from where? Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Malawi?
Mozambique. Not in Mozambique, it's Mutare.
Mutare.
Yeah,
and your Amai, your mother?
He's dead. She's died in 1970.
But she's from Mutare.
Yeah.
Both of them from Mutare.
Yeah, all together.
Okay. And when did you start sculpting?
I think 95.
In 1995.
Yeah.
And who was teaching you?
Amos Spoon.
Is it?
Yeah, and Real Catillo.
Did Amos live around here in the beginning?
Yeah.
Amos lived in this area?
Yeah.
Okay. Amos passed away now.
Yeah.
And who else did you say? Amos.
Royal Catillo.
Royal Catillo. Yeah. And Royal used to live here?
No, he's in Mvurwi.
In Mvurwi, okay.
Yeah. Then Royal Catillo is the one who inspired me to make some birds, you see now.
Okay. Yeah. So you like doing birds? Or that's what you...
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from women, you like girls too?
Yeah, I think if you see a white woman, you can afford to marry.
Yeah, you're looking for a white wife?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. And so what do you want to say to your future wife if you were to meet her? How would you like to say hello to her?
In my future, I think I'm looking for...
So what are your credentials? What would you say? Your lively personality or very artistic? What would you say?
I think it's artistic.
Your assets.
Yeah, assets.
Yeah.
I think I want to stay in Greendale also.
Ah!
Greendale, I think it's a better life.
Is Greendale better?